In this demo of Maestro version 10.5, we are going to showcase a few new features and brand new capabilities. First of all, with AuthServe, we now support Akamai AuthServe if you are running AuthServe on premises. And we're also going to be showing how this is all set up in our brand new service management tab, which was called server management in previous versions. So we've changed a few things. We've made it a little bit more intuitive to use and also just more pleasant to look at. As you can see, we have logos added. We've changed proxy to agent, some of the few of the differences between this version and the previous versions. If we were to add a new service, there's only one button to click on, and we can find our new service in a lot of ways, either by just browsing through all, by filtering, or even just by typing in. We can see Amazon, right, and see AWS right there, or AuthServe. We'll go ahead and run through the AuthServe workflow since we are showcasing that as a new agent that we're offering. I can either select a new agent or I can select an available agent because I'm already using AuthServe in this environment. So with services like AuthServe, with Cisco, with Microsoft, we don't have to install an agent on every single machine. We can use one central agent and therefore make the admin's work a lot easier when it comes to maintaining agent patches and things like that. So we'll go ahead and we'll select that. If we did want to create a new agent, we could do that here as well. Now, of course, all I need to do is add a name, an address, and any of the other required custom properties. As you can see, the developers are having a little fun with our servers here at Men&Mice. But I'm going to back out of this for now and also show that we can even edit these services as well. So if I were to dive into the Cisco iOS service and click on the meatball menu and edit service, I can actually change this if I want to maybe put the agent on a central host instead, right? All sorts of things that I can do without having to reinvent the wheel every time. And I can do this with all of my services available. And that's what we have for the brand new, very intuitive adding service and service management UI. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.